Hello everyone. Today I am going to read question answers on Introduction of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji from the book Divine Values, all about divinity, compiled by Gyani Gurveer Singh. Introduction of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Question 1. Who compiled Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Question 2. Who penned down Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji at Ramsar? Answer. Bhai Gurdas Ji. Question 3. How many ragas are there in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. There are 31 ragas. Question 4. What do you understand by Mahalla? Answer. Physical body in which the spirit of Guru Nanak resides. Question 5. What do you understand by Ghar suffixed with Mahalla in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. Swar and Tal. Question 6. Who prepared the final version of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Question 7. Whose Bani was included by Guru Gobind Singh Ji in final version of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Question 8. How many pages are there in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. 1430. Question 9. Who was the first head Granthi of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji at Darbar Sahib, Amritsar? Answer. Baba Buddha Ji. Question 10. Which Guruji contributed the maximum number of vars and how many? Answer. Guru Ram Das Ji, 8 vars. Question 11. Which Guruji has contributed only salokas in the Bani of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji, written only 63 salokas. Question 12. Which Guru or Gurus have composed salokas in Sahaskriti in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, 4 salokas, and Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji, 67 salokas. Question 13. Which rag has maximum number of vars? And how many? Answer. Ramkali, 3 vars. Question 14. How many vars in Shri Guru Granth Sahib are written by the Gurus themselves? Answer. 21. Question 15. How many salokas of Bhagat Kabir Ji are there under the title Salok Kabir Ji? Answer. 243 saloks. Question 16. Which Guru has contributed maximum Bani in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Question 17. How many Baramaha are there in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. 2. Baramaha in Maj Rag is written by Guru Arjan Dev Ji and Baramaha in Tukhari Rag is written by Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Question 18. How many total number of vars are there in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. 22 vars. Question 19. How many vars in Shri Guru Granth Sahib has no salokas with them? Answer. 2 vars. Question 20. How many times the Shabad Sodar appears in Shri Guru Granth Sahib? Answer is 3 times. Question 21. Name the rag in which only one Guru Sahib has composed the Bani. Answer. Rag Jai Jaivanti, only by Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Question 22. In which rag maximum Bani is composed in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. Rag Gauri. Question 23. In how many sizes is Sri Guru Granth Sahib available? Answer 3. Question 24. How many shabads are composed by Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur in Rag Jaijavanti? Answer only 4. Question 25. Which Bhagat has the smallest contribution in Sri Guru Granth Sahib? Answer Bhagat Surdas Ji. Only one line. Chad man har be mukhan ko sang. Question 26. What is the total number of salokas under the title Salok Sheikh Farid in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer is 130. Question 27. Which var is traditionally sung in Gurudwaras every morning? Answer is Asa Ki Var. Question 28. Who composed Asa Ki Var? Answer Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Question 29. Who assisted Guru Gobind Singh Ji in preparing Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer Bhai Mani Singh Ji. Question 30. Who are the contributors of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer 6 Gurus, 15 Bhagats, 3 Sikhs and 11 Bhatts. Question 31. In which rag Var of Satya Balwand is composed? Answer in Rag Ramkali. Question 32. The salokas which were not written under vars can be found in? Answer Salok Varate Vadhik. Question 33. What is Adi Bir? Answer original scripture of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, written by Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji. The sacred volume consisted of 974 leaves or 1948 pages of 12 inches into 18 inches with several blank ones at the end of a rag, when there were not shabads enough to fill the section assigned to it. Question 34. How much time did Bhai Gurdas Ji take to write Adi Bir? Answer 1 year, 6 months. Question 35. How many pages are in Adi Bir written by Bhai Gurdas Ji? Answer 974 into 2, that is equal to 1948 pages. Question 36. Which is the first and last rag of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. First is Shri Rag and last is Rag Jaijavanti. Question 37. Which Bani appears at the beginning of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Answer. Japji Sahib. Question 38. Which Guru composed Anand Sahib? Answer. Sri Guru Amar Das Ji. Question 39. Which Guru composed Sukhmani Sahib? Answer. Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Question 40. Which Guru Sahib composed Baramaha in Tukhari Rag? Answer. Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Question 41. Baramaha written by Guru Arjan Sahib Ji is in which rag? Answer is Rag March. Question 42. Who wrote Bani Sad? Answer Baba Sundar Ji. Question 43. Who wrote Bani Omkar? Answer Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Question 44. Who is the author of Siddh Goshti? Answer Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Question 45. Name 2 Bhagats whose salokas are in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Answer Bhagat Kabir Ji and Baba Sheikh Farid Ji. Question 46. Who correctly recited Japji Sahib in front of Guru Har Gobind Sahib? Answer Bhai Gopala Ji. Question 47. Who prepared the first true copy of Adi Bead? Answer. Bhai Banno Ji. Question 48. Name the Sikhs who contributed to Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Answer. Bhai Satta Ji, Bhai Balwand Ji and Bhai Sundar Ji. Question 49. Name the Gurudwara and the place where the first copy of Adi Bead was written. Answer. Gurudwara Ramsar at Sri Amritsar.